Hey, I'm just a guy with a camera. You might be asking yourself as you continue along on your photography journey, do I need expensive software to start making great images? No, you don't. In fact, your best images will be good images right out of the camera. If you want to take your images and change them, do something different with them in a software environment, the native software environment that your camera manufacturer provided for you when you bought your camera is a great place to start. From there, if you wanted to move up into Photoshop and you don't want the monthly expense, I recommend Photoshop Elements. I used Photoshop Elements for years. It's a one-time buy, downloadable software, or on a CD or whatever they're doing these days, but it's super powerful. Almost everything that Photoshop does, it does, and it's a fantastic place to start. Try that.